All right, good afternoon. We're going to go over how to pull up a PRT on an 8821 phone. So we're going to go down into settings, then we're going to go down to phone information, which is number 5. At the bottom is number 4, which is report a problem. We then hit the submit button. Now, anytime there is a network out of range beep, there's call quality problems, there's one-way audio, there's something wrong with the 8821, we're going to hit the submit button on the problem report, and then you're going to send an email or open a ticket with ServiceNow, and then us, the PBX team, are going to log into the IP address of the phone and download that PRT report. It's available on the web page of the phone. Takes it a minute or so. Now we see PRT log collection successful. And at that time, you can email collabhelp@rccl.com. You can open a ServiceNow ticket. We're happy to pull these and take a look at the wireless LAN controller. We also want to get your MAC and your IP and pull up the wireless LAN controller. That is it for the problem report tool.